Ever notice how crumbs, dust, and pet hair seem to show up everywhere, no matter how often you clean? Whether it's your car seats after a road trip, pet hair on the couch, or dirt hiding in tight corners, keeping these spaces clean can quickly become frustrating. The problem isn't just how fast the mess builds up. It's that many full-size vacuums are bulky, cords get in the way, and reaching small spaces often feels impossible. That means the areas you use every day can stay dirtier than you'd like. That's where this handheld vacuum cleaner comes in. With up to 10,000 pascals of suction power, it's built to handle dust, debris, carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and stubborn pet hair with ease. The cordless design gives you the freedom to clean wherever you need, while the rechargeable Li-ion battery delivers around 30 to 59 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Weighing just 0.53 kilograms and made from durable ABS material, it's lightweight enough to carry around the house or keep in your car without taking up much space. The bagless transparent dust container lets you see when it's time to empty it, and the multiple cleaning modes, along with support for different nozzles including a flat suction nozzle, make it easy to switch between furniture, floors, narrow gaps, and vehicle interiors. Imagine finishing a weekend trip, removing crumbs from every seat, cleaning pet hair from the trunk, and freshening up your home without dragging out a heavy vacuum. If you're looking for a practical cordless cleaner for everyday dry cleaning, this one is definitely worth a closer look. Check the link in the description to learn more before it's gone from stock.